On the 66 Ford F100, good old Ford F100, got our little rust damage there. We took the angle grinder and buffed off the paint just in the area. I don't want to clean the entire thing up until we start ready for paint. But then take a piece of scrap metal over here and we can lay it something like this so that I can kind of figure out the size of how it fits. And then we say a couple magic words, alakazam, and it's fixed. The little seam here has been buffed out around that way. Then we can flip over here where it was rusted all the way through. And we have a new body hole for drainage, cleaned up on the backside, new mounting bolt, and a new brace and bracket. So our fender is nice complete for our good old Ford 100.